The core program, it's named by Exponential Learning Course.
Mainly taking a gap semester from the university, gaining the experience of working as a full-time employee for 6 months.
It's more of on-hand experience.
I worked in Pepsi-Co, and my role there was a planning analyst.
Visa International in the business development function. I have also had the chance to also rotate in another function, which was the fintechs and market development.
My experience was the first abroad vacancy. I was at the headquarters of Arab Bank at Jordan.
My experience at the co-op was exactly as if I'm a full-time employee. I was getting paid.
It affected me both professionally and personally.
I've gained a lot of interpersonal skills. I actually got to know what were my weaknesses and how can I develop those weaknesses before I'm out again into the job market.
It helped me understand more about the entrepreneurial ecosystem, specifically fintech.
On a technical level, I had a lot of visits and I had an orientation regarding all the departments in Pepsi-Co in order for me to know each department what they're doing. I got interested in a lot other departments than finance, which was my core major, which made me right now thinking about consultancy instead of finance.
I gained more knowledge from this, and I also felt the difference I got when I came back to the university taking courses with other students. I felt that I'm somehow on top of my colleagues because of the experience I had.
Everything is different than a student. As a student, you're very privileged, but in co-op, you're facing the real life or the real world. You're going out of AUC's bubble.
It was teaching us how to communicate in the work life, how to deal with your problems, how to detect your weaknesses and work on them.
It's completely different than courses at university. It's more of on-hand experience.
I'm more mature, I'm more focused, I'm more kind of determined on what I want to do.
Working with entrepreneurs, getting to know entrepreneurs and the stages they took building or making these startups, it also gave me the opportunity to see the entrepreneurial ecosystem from the investor's point of view.
So this is why I think it was very beneficial for me in order for me to expect what I'm gonna face after graduation.